Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a WeatherTech Techliner tailgate protector for pickup trucks. Let's get into it. All right, so this particular product that we are unboxing is made specifically for Ford F-150s. I think it's the 2021 through 2024 model years. It may fit 25, I'm not sure. Make sure you check out our website for that fitment information. And this is just a cover for the tailgate. So if you're familiar with WeatherTech, they're big, made in USA people. They're most well known for their floor liners for like your cab of your truck or your car. And so on. They have the laser fit floor liners, and they also make a product called Techliner, which is essentially a bed mat for the pickup truck bed, and then they make a version of it just to cover the tailgate. And so here we have that one-piece tailgate Techliner. We do have installation instructions here. We do have a little product catalog from WeatherTech of everything else that they make. So it's nice to give you a fully illustrated install guide on how to exactly install this on the tailgate. Looks like we do have English, Spanish, and that's it. So looks like we do have a bag of little accessories and hardware here. Not exactly sure how these are utilized. We do have some little plastic washers or spacers or something like that. And then we do have, let's see, looks like some alcohol prep pads, so there must be some adhesive in the kit that you need to use, and I can't tell what this is. This is maybe a white crayon for making some marks. I don't know, this is just a primer. 3M primer. So as we flip this around, you can see there's kind of pre-applied, I don't know, these are Velcro or what? Looks like it. Velcro strips with adhesive backing on one side, so I'm assuming you'd leave this on, do your prep with the alcohol wipes. You're gonna peel this off, it's gonna stick down. Then there's also these holes here, 2, 4, 6, 8 holes that probably use these little centering spacers, and then maybe some existing hardware to attach this to your tailgate. Now, the thing about those tailgates is they easily get scratched as you're loading things in and out of the truck bed. And so this is just a nice cover to protect it and protect the life of your truck, cut down on any scratches, dents, introduction of corrosion and rust and things like that. Now, the thing about the Ford F-150 is they do make that work prep upgrade for that tailgate that has like little measuring tape on it and different little cubbies and stuff like that. This is not compatible with those tailgates, so just make sure that you are taking that into account when you're looking at ordering this for your truck. They make it for all the major models, so the Silverados and the Rams, as well as the F-150s and 250s and so on like that. So a pretty nice product. I think it's pretty inexpensive as well. You can see it's just a one-piece kind of thermoplastic here. It does have a little bit of a texture on the top. It really reminds me of their floor liners that you can get for, you know, the cab of the truck. So a nice solution here from WeatherTech with everything that you need to install it. Now, if you're looking for this Techliner, anything else WeatherTech, or anything for your work van or truck, be sure to check us out, UpfitSupply.com. We probably have what you need. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.